we're in a 2024 Toyota RAV4, and this is set up to automatically go into park when we put it in park, okay? Or the parking brake automatically turns on when you put it in park. And when you go over here and put it into drive, it automatically turns off. Now you can go ahead and disable this feature if you want by putting your foot on the brake, pressing the parking button down and holding it until you get a notification on the dash. Electronic parking brake shift interlock function deactivated. Okay, and then you can let go here and you're good. Now this function doesn't work anymore. Okay. Now you can reactivate it by putting your foot on the brake, pulling up on the parking brake, holding it until you get the notification on the dash that it's reactivated. Alright, so the car remembers these settings once you do them. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button for me, leave me a like, and maybe drop me a comment. That would be wonderful. Thanks for watching the video.